पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। In the fifth Brahman, called Saptanna Brahman, the description is of the Bhogya Prapanch. Bhogya Prapanch. Normally, when ordinary person uses the word world, so if you ask him what is world, so he will think outside my body is the world. World is something outside my body which extends. In his definition of the world, he takes little Adhibhut only and not the Adhyatma, not the Adhideva. I have already explained Adhibhut, Adhyatma in the morning. In ordinary person's definition of the world, Jagat, he only uses little of Adhibhut and he does not bring Adhyatma and did not bring Adhidev also. Rather, he does not believe in Adhidev, doesn't know Adhidev also properly. So, result of that is that he is unable to bring the grace of Adhidev and Adhyatma into his sadhana, because he has not known that that is also part of the world. So, world includes the Adhyatma, Adhibhut and Adhidev. So, what is Adhyatma? Adhyatma is that on which you have I-ness and minus. I-ness and minus. Atmanam adhikritya ya pravartate iti adhyatmam. Starting from Agyan to the body. See, book I can say my, but I can't say I. But body I can say my also and I also. I can say my body also and I can say I am tall, short also. I can say my mind also and I can say I am sad, happy also. So, if I say self, ignorance, vasana, buddhi, ignorance, let us say trigun, vasana, buddhi, man, sense organ, body, all these are covered in Adhyatma. Sometimes body they take in Adhibhut, sometimes they take in Adhyatma. Okay. Adhibhut is the one which is a perceived shape. Perceived shape, which you can easily see. Seen means not only by eyes. All the Panch Mahabhautik Srishti is Adhibhut. The world of smell is also Adhibhut. The world of form is also Adhibhut. The world of touch is also Adhibhut. And space also in Adhibhut. So this is easier. Adidev is the one which possesses the Adibhut through the Adhyatma. And bigger is the Adibhut, more powerful is the Adidev. Difference between powerful Adidev and powerless Adidev. What is the difference? Difference is that the powerful means what? One who can do more karma in less time. Remember, I defined power one day, if you remember. One for whom taking the form, there is less effort, less time involved in thinking and materializing. I had explained this point. So if power is less, so he cannot take and or make any form. He will take time. He has limited choices. If I say to some human being, please make a house. So he says, okay, let me see I can make a house or not. And if he is a rich person, maybe he will make a house in few months. If he is poor, he can say, I can't make more than that. So to create a form corresponding to the thought is dependent on his power. So what is in power? What power means? Power means he has manush balam or not, manush vittam or not. 5 vittam were there. Jaya, Yajman, Putra, Manush and Daivittam. If he has the power, then he can transform this sankalp into the concrete object in less time. More is the power, lesser is the time and effort taken to convert it. And lesser is the power, more he will take to convert it. Okay, this I had told. Now, if the Adidev is very weak or he is ordinary, so he cannot change his form. But the Adidev, supposing is very big, like the sun is the Adidev, so it is possible that Sun Devata can take a form at any place, at any time. I had told one thing, if you remember, the power of a person is equivalent to his sankalp sharir, which area his sankalp fructifies. One body, physical body is there, other is sankalp sharir. Like in your house, it is your house. So as big is your house, so big is your sankalp sharir. In that house you can do anything. Others house you can't do anything. Others house you can't change the furniture. But in your house you can change. Okay, I was giving the example. The Prime Minister has sankalp sharir equivalent to country. So the country he can do a lot. Just by one order he can make big changes. Multiply. The President of US will have a bigger sankalp sharir. Indra will have a bigger sankalp sharir. So Surya Bhagwan, Chandrama, they have very big sankalp sharir because his rays pervade everywhere. And therefore, this Adidev can take a form at any time. Do Vardhan, give boons or give blessings also. Okay, so this is also a part of the world. Don't forget this point. Certain things we don't understand. This is also a part of the world because Annam is being described. Annam means bhogyam. This is also bhogya. This is also bhogya. So Adidev is also bhogya because Adidev is not there, Adibhut also won't be there. So all the Adidevik Srishti is also a part of the world. So when the words like Indra, Brahaspati, Chandrama, Surya, all these are used, don't use the word mythology. One word Macaulay introduced, and that is called in Hindu mythology. Mythology indicates as if something was not there, somebody cooked some kind of stories, and that is called Puranas. And when you hear in Puranas, Indra Devata went like that, Surya Devata did. So people think so dikhte hai nahi, they are not there. What is all these devatas? They are all just stories bana diya. So that is not right at all. Okay, so use the word Purana in Itihas only. So this Devata now is being talked in 11th, 12th and 13th mantras. Okay? Okay, yes. So if Devatas are happy on you, they can help tremendously. Remember I told one day that Shukla Yajurved had come because Surya Bhagwan became the guru of Yagyavalk. Very initial classes I had mentioned. If you remember, he did Surya Upasana. And there is one Upanishad also called Surya Upanishad. Aditya Hridayam etc. is there. But there is Surya Upanishad. If somebody's eyes has a problem, so there is one Upanishad called Chakshusha Upanishad also. So if eyes problem are there, he can read Chakshusha Upanishad. So to please Surya Bhagwan, so that he can bless. And there is Surya Upanishad also. There is Prithvi Sukta also. There is Prithvi Sukta, and there is a Sukta on Indra also. There is Agni Sukta also. All those for Adidevik, Agni, etc. Okay, when you take Aarti, supposing Aarti is there, and Aarti is shown there. So why you do like that? It is not, you are not touching you are not doing anything to the Adibhautik, you are touching the feet of the Adidevik Agni. You are touching the feet of the Adidevik Agni. And therefore, very first mantra of Rig Veda is Agni Mide Purohitam Yajnasya Ritvijam. Bole, you are the Ritvik of the Yajna. Ratna Dhataram, you are holder of Ratnas. And if you remember, when Bhagwan Ram's Shringi Rishi did Yajna, so Agni Devata came with a charu, with the kheer in hand, which he gave to Kausalya ji and Kekai. So Agni Devata comes. Indra Devata can take a form and he can come. Surya Devata, there is a Bhagavad, there is one prasang of Semantak Mani. Semantak Mani. Who had? Who had Semantak Mani? Before that. What is his name? Huh? What is his name? Huh? Satrajit. That Satrajit, he did Surya Upasana. I am just taking you here and there so that conviction is clear. We jump these portions and we think that these portions, why they are there? Satrajit did Surya Upasana and he Surya Bhagwan gave him a money, which was the cause of all problems in Dwarka. And that money used to offer gold every day. Hope we can get it. But we have to do Upasana also. So this is the glory of this Devatas also. I am taking your attention to the Devatas. Okay, Devatas. अच्छा ध्यान देना, when offering is done, offering, whether it is the offering to Navagraha, offering to any god. 4 things I said in the offering was important, if you remember. One was bhav. Bhav. Bhav means, bhav, how define bhav? Desire to make the devata happy is called bhav. The thirst to make the particular devata happy is called bhava. Among all this is quite big percentage will go to bhava. Bhav pradhan. Second was vani, stotra. So unless you have praised somebody, he won't be happy. There are laws for making anybody happy. 4 things are required to make anybody happy. First thing, you should have really thirst to make him happy. That is called bhav. Difference between mother feeding the child and the waiter feeding the person is a difference. Waiter will take all the list and he will come back to you. He will put and he will say, enjoy your food, sir, and go away after that. But he has another table. And later on he won't come easily also if you call him. And then, but the mother when she feeds, she will feed with the bhava, thirst that you should eat properly. And that makes a difference between the house and the home. Home plus the bhav is called, house plus bhav is called home. You build the house, contractor builds the house. Lady of the house makes it home. Or hell, whatever it is. So that is what is called home and house is there. Are you following my point? So first is bhavarpana. Second is stotra arpana. Some kind of chanting you do with meaning. Stotra is the giving words to your bhava. And stotra can increase the bhava. And third was kriya arpana. You do some action, do some parikrama, do some arati, do some namaskar. They show darpan also, the temple. They offer clothes also. Some kriya is required. Running around is required. Therefore, the puja starts the moment you start preparing, you start going, take the flower, that itself puja is started. When you go and pluck flowers or purchase flower and go to the market, that itself puja time is started. Or you are going to prepare the kheer, that itself is a puja time. Because one who he is seeing. And last was dravya arpana. Dravya. Drav means then you offer anything. You offer honey, you offer milk, you offer curd, you offer. In South India, they offer vegetable. Uncooked vegetable. In some temples, so all the vegetable vendors, they offer their vegetable. And there is a big area where lot of vegetables are. So people offer vegetable. Not cooked one. Uncooked one, carrot is there, this is there, that. And then that has been taken and offered as prasad. Then they can take that. Dekho, dhyan dena. All 4 are important. And anything should be offered as per your capacity. What you are spending on yourself, ये difficult हो गया. What I am spending on myself, at least 10% should be spent on your puja. Supposing your salary is 50,000. Well, don't calculate, please. 50,000 now, it is a very small salary. 1 लाख कर दे क्या? नहीं, चलो रहने देते. 1 लाख तक बोल देना चाहिए आप कि हाँ 50,000 आजकल के समय में 50,000 क्या होता है? So if you are doing that, 1/4 you calculate. बोले don't calculate please. Sorry, 10%, 10%. 10% you calculate. That much you should spend. Oh my God. And if you have to give to some poor people, please give that amount also to the poor persons. So my money should be for God also, for Adibhut also, and for Adidev also. Got my point? It should be for people also, Adibhut also, 10%. And 10% you should give for Adidev also. I will prefer to give more to Adidev because he can give more to give more. Because if Devta is big, बोले भाव से मतलब है चीज से नहीं. अरे भाव दरिद्र नहीं होता. भाव will try to give more only. So when bhav is more, kriya is more, stotra is more, trav is more. Okay. And therefore, in our temples, they used to give a lot, especially kings, etc. They offered a lot. Now I am coming to this. So, are you convinced about Indra Devata, Agni Devata? बोले हमने तो देखा नहीं सब. अरे तो देखने के लिए you need qualification. You do something, you will see also. You do something, you will see. Boले, but I am afraid, let them not come. So here it is said now that all three means what? Mana, Vak and Prana. How they are forming Adideva. We saw how they are forming earlier Adibhut, and before that Adhyatma. Now they are going to form Adideva also. And therefore tremendous powers they have. And please don't neglect the Devatas. They can create havoc in life. It comes in one place. There was one king called Pururava. His name comes in Bhagavad also. Okay. Who had the wife called? Urvashi. Totally, he was so much infatuated. After that, he went through such a bad time because of Urvashi. He was going to, in heaven, he was meeting all the Devatas. So he met Indra. He said, Indra, how are you? Fine. What nice seeing you. He said, Agni Devata, kaise yahan? Yam Devata, very nice. Surya Devata. When Kamdeva came, अच्छा ये काम देवता है. मजेदार बात ये है, दैत्य नहीं है, कामदेव है ये. So much problem they create. No. Problem, you misuse that Kamdev, therefore a problem came. When Kamdev came, he didn't wish him. He threw a bad glance. Bale, kahan hai? Kam said, now I will teach you a lesson. He said, you think because of Kam only, you are here, Srishti is there. If you don't know how to use me, that is your problem. But I am not bad. And he didn't wish, he didn't cast a proper glance. And then Kamdeva created his life so much problem. And I will not tell the whole story. You know in Bhagavad how Urvashi he got infatuated, how Urvashi left in between, and how he got frustrated badly. So, in the name of Ishwar Bhakti, this is one people, बोले देवता होता हम नहीं मानते. अरे रास्ते में आ रहे हैं प्रणाम करने में क्या जाता? Who is asking me to do lot of puja? उन्हीं का पार्ट है ये. The power in the devata is of the Ishwar only. They are just temporarily appointed devata. अरे हम देवता को क्या, हम तो मनुष्य को प्रणाम करने के लिए तैयार हैं. We offer namaskar to all people also, just because God is in them. हमें कुछ चाहिए थोड़ी ना उनसे. If I need, I'll go to God straight away. But I will not disrespect anybody. Everywhere, same God is there. So these devatas have certain meaning in their life. Now let us see what these devatas, how all this, acha, if vak etc. in the devata is there, you can imagine how powerful that vak will be, and how powerful their mind will be, and how powerful their prana will be. The prana of the what is it called, this Vayu, cyclone comes, you can see the prana of Vayu. If you want to see prana of Agni, then you see Amazon is over or not, that fire which was there, that Amazon forest which was over. I think 10 or 20% forest is of the world there only. Amazon fire in Brazil. One Devata's prana shakti is tremendous. There are sochnas, Surya Bhagwan's prana shakti. My God, I already told, 1.3 million earths can be in sun. 1.3 million, if sun is made a bowl, in that you put a pebble, so many earths can be inside. Imagine the prana of the Surya. For a moment, imagine, not listen. Just imagine also. Itna hai. And that too, so many years. It's not exhausting. 3 billion years. Still 3-4 billion years or more. Before this Surya will die away. Inke tenure khatam ho jayega. Another Surya will come then. Well, I will be there. No. So, but my name is also Suryakant. No, your name is there. So that Surya is there. Each one of them have lot of power. Prana Shakti. Their Vak Shakti is also there. You have heard Akashvani. Celestial speak. Vak Shakti is also there. And Mana Shakti is there because they have tremendous sankalp. They are in each mind. You know how accident happens? Don't know. There is one place between Jaipur and Ajmer. Only at one particular place accidents happen. Anybody will drive, he will have accident there. So now they decided, instead of taking the person to the hospital, they build hospital there itself. And it is so sure. They said, why to delay the matter? These devatas enter into the mind of the driver and turn him. This is what they done to Manthara. This is what they did to Kumbhakaran. When he wanted in front of Brahmaji, he was a glutton. So they thought if he is alive, he will eat a lot. So Sharda Ma, Saraswati Ma turned his intellect. So don't think they have very secret chambers to enter. I meant to say their mind is quite pervasive. They are operational in what is it called? Giving the prarabdha. One person was going in the Vishwanath temple, Varanasi. And one person was walking on the floor. One monkey was there on the top. As he was walking, that monkey jumped over the parapet wall on the top. It was a big rock. Straight away it fell. Straight away that rock, so that devata came in the mind of monkey at that particular time and pushed it. The monkey that had fallen and he died. So they have quite a pervasive mind. Nothing is just happening as an accident. There is much more unseen world, very powerful world. One person, that devata makes me hate. I have not done anything bad for that person. You wonder why this person is so hating me. I have not done anything bad. But karmphal is there, he made it hate. And some person is unnecessarily loving me. I wonder what I did for him, he is so much mad after me. So they are all quite operative. to give you various fruits of action. And therefore, they have a big role to play. In ant also they are there. They only prompt the ant to bite. They only prompt the snake to go. One person was going in MP. One vulture was taking a snake. A snake fell. And the person was on a scooter. The snake fell on the person driving the scooter. Imagine his plight. He flew out. He fell down. Both fell down. Person also, snake also. Now that snake went to that person to bite. Then he, I think, died or something. All these things are quite strong. This complex world is there. Who will meet, who will be with you, who will not be with you, which work will be done, which will not be done, which hindrance will be created, which part of the body they will trouble you. When you see horoscope, they can make it part. Lower part will have a problem. Stomach is a problematic area. Nerves problem. They are all operative. This Devata will create quite a problem in his life. So Adidev Srishti is very big for your information. You know this Ramanujan, the mathematician, the film has come, Infinite, right? The man who had infinite. That I told also, he had a special grace of Deviji. And therefore anything he started, it just clicked to him answers. और हम क्या बताएं, छोड़ो. Well, supposing I do any upasana of Lord. In Lord, all devatas are included, don't worry. In Bhagwan, because all are deriving their Shakti from Bhagwan. Therefore, when Hanumanji burned the Lanka, his tail did not burn. Jakar doot anal jai sirja, jara nasoti karan girja. Agni Devata did not burn the tail of Hanumanji. Agni Devata did not burn Sita ji. He withdrew his heat. Similarly, firewalk is there. Firewalk. Yes, in South India it is there. In Singapore also it is there. In Mariamman temple, etc. So there is a patch. It is full of cauldrons, burning coals. And they have to do Devi Upasana for 1 month. After that they walk on that. Fire is cold. And if you have done something wrong and you walk on the same fire, you have to jump out. I have seen it. Not directly but on the video I saw that, but it's very popular. So don't think it is all just like that. We use such words, I don't believe. What you don't believe, you don't know what you don't believe. You should think and then you should say something. Now I will, with this background, I will come to this mantras. You will have more understanding.